are constantly messing with your strapless bra when you've got it on, I know it's really annoying. It is because your strapless bra is not tacking to your chest wall, and you really need your strapless bra to tack to your chest wall, even more so than your normal bra, because you are asking the band of your strapless bra to do 85% of the work and to hold you up and give you support. The rest of the support coming from the cups. You do not have the straps to bail you out. Now, there are a couple of reasons as to why your wire is not sitting flush to your chest wall, and these are the reasons. The first one is that you are wearing a band that is too big. So how do you identify if the band is too big? Well, what you do is you grab your two fingers and you're going to put your fingers underneath the band at the side, which is really important that you do it at the side and not at the back, because what tends to happen if you try and feel at the back is that you arch your back and it gives a false read of how loose or how tight that band is. The next reason that your bra is not fitting and not tacking to your chest wall is that you are wearing a cup size that is too small. Now, it makes sense that if the cup is too small, what happens is your boobs fight for space and there's not enough space, so it pushes that wire out. But how do we identify if the bra is too small? Well, we're going to take a look at where the wires are sitting. What I want you to do is take a look at the side of the breast tissue. Are the wires sat on the delicate breast tissue or on the side of the chest wall? Your bra wires should always sit on your chest wall because it stops that digging in and that uncomfortable feeling that you can get from wires. The third thing you need to take into account, and arguably the most important thing, is your breast shape. If you are trying to get a strapless bra to fit and you have close set boobs, what tends to happen is you tend to look for a high wire, because a lot of strapless bras have high wires, and then what happens is the wires, if you're close set, cannot get in between the breast tissue to separate it, and your boobs start fighting with that wire and it causes it to come out. What you need to do to correct this is look for a lower wire, like a plunge bra, if you are close set.